Hello everyone, this is Jyoti. Welcome to my channel. If you are on your CCNA journey and you have noticed that CCNA has gone from version 1.0 of the exam to version 1.1, and if you want to know what are those changes, what are the major revisions to this version, then this video is for you. Here we will talk through what are the major changes from CCNA version 1.0 to version 1.1. So, the video outline would be we will be discussing here about the date of registration for 1.1 version, last date to test version 1.0, changes in version 1.1 from version 1.0. So, starting off with the release date, the changes, the last date of the version 1.0, and so on. So, the release date of the new version 1.1 is 20th of August 2024. I would say that it's not that big of a stretch. Just 10% of the changes have been made in this new version, but these changes have been made almost after 4 years. And the course revision is 2.1. The last date to test version 1.0 is 19th of August 2024 if you're working on and if you're learning version 1.0 already. After that, from 20th of August, the revision of the exam would be 1.1, where there will be some of the changes which we will be discussing now. So here you can see a comparison of the exam CCNA version 1.0 and version 1.1. So this shows you what are the major changes in the revision, some addition of the topics, some topics which have been obsoleted. So starting with the STP, so there are some changes in the STP topics. Majorly, there are some additions. So some root guard, loop guard, BPTU filter, BPTU guard. These are the STP enhancement features that have been added to the version 1.1. And some of the topics like AP, WLCs in the management access has been obsoleted, so it has been removed, whereas some new network devices, which are cloud managed, basically like Cisco Meraki, that introduction has been introduced and added to the new version. Then the comparison of the Cisco DNA Center, Access Point, these are being removed. And new technologies like introduction of Cisco Meraki, like I said, then explanation of AI, artificial intelligence, generative as well as predictive, and the introduction of machine learning in network operations have been added. Then in the API section, some authentication types have been added. And in the automation and programmability, Puppet and Chef models have been removed, and Ansible and Terraform have been added. So these are the main changes that have been done to the CCNA version 1.1 examination. So this is about the CCNA version 1.1 exam update. And that's it. So I hope this video will be helpful for you to learn about what are the major changes and the revision to the CCNA exam version 1.1, and that will help you prepare for your upcoming CCNA version 1.1 exam starting from August 20th, 2024. So thank you very much and all the best.